Welcome everybody to the opening ceremony of Jama Jam August 2024. Exciting. And amazing news, it's officially 1 year of Jama Jam. We love to see it. We've been doing it for 12 months now. We're excited to see everybody here. Obviously everyone in the chat right now we've seen before, but I've seen people popping in the Discord. I hope they have an amazing time and they like what they're doing here. What is an asset jam? We'll skim through this pretty quick. It can be pretty much anything. Whatever you want to make, I'm sure you can make it work. Whether that's a 3D model, whether that's an illustration, an animation, audio, a game mechanic, or script, creative writing. Honestly, as long as there is some visual way of sharing whatever it is that you made, it can be an asset and you can take part. And let's see, it's all of our beautiful, wonderful volunteers who help make this thing happen for an entire 12 months. We've got Branson, Sam, John, that's me, Katie, and Anna. We love to see them. They're all incredible workers. They all just work so hard to keep this running every single month. Haven't missed one yet, so we want to keep it that way. Our socials are also on the bottom. We encourage you to follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, see what we're up to. Tag us in anything that you want to post. General info. The jam opens obviously right now, 6 p.m., and we will do the closing showcase tomorrow, Sunday, at 7 p.m. The submissions close at 6 p.m. tomorrow, so there's that bit of an hour break for us to get the presentation up together. All of our itch page, all of that will be linked in the important links channel on the Discord. And our 48 hours, that is, do not spend 48 hours on this thing. It is not tomorrow, you're so right. I'm so used to this being a 24-hour jam. It is 7 p.m. on Sunday, 2 days from now. That's me just going into my habits of just talking. It's a 48-hour time frame. Don't spend 48 hours on this. Spend a couple hours, spend an entire evening, whatever you want, but it's just kind of there to catch everybody's schedules. We don't expect you to spend the entire weekend on this asset. Formatting for the itch page. Submit it. It's going to be uploaded as a game because that's just what itch does. For the format, put your name or your @ and then whatever you want to call the piece, whether that's just the prompt or a custom name that you came up with. Give us a short little description about why you made it, how you made it, what the inspiration was, pretty much anything. If you are in the closing showcase, if you're in the Discord while we're doing it, you're invited to unmute and talk a little bit about why you made it instead of us just reading it off on the screen. And make sure you make the file something that we can actually put into the PowerPoint, like images, videos, MP3s, anything like that. Format suggestions, it's pretty self-explanatory. If it's 3D model, you can do images, you can do a video, 2D, you know, people are smart, they'll figure it out. An example, this is kind of what it would look like. This is just a demo itch page. Put the name, James Jam, High Fantasy Jam Joy, put some images in there, little description telling us, for this jam, I chose to do a medieval jam joy, telling us why they made it, the process for making it, their inspiration, everything like that. And then when we take it and put it into our presentation, this is what it'll look like. Kind of an example. We'll just kind of take the text in, bring it over, bring in all those images, and bring in the name that you have. This month's theme for our anniversary Jam Jam, 12 whole months, 1 year of doing this thing. It's a throwback jam. For this one, you can do any one of our past prompts. You've got 12 to choose through. You can either make up something that you missed, remake something for a prompt that you wanted, or go back to a submission you've already made and rework it and polish it up if you want. And next, we have a little list of our modifiers here. Since this is a special jam, we've got some special things going on. Instead of the best use of theme, because there are so many, it would be hard to keep track of for people, we're introducing modifiers and the best use of modifier award. They're optional, you don't need to do them at all, you can make whatever you want, but you only can get the reward if you do one of these. It is combine 2+ themes, do a vision of a past submission, or incorporate our mascot or the concept of jam into whatever piece you make. All fun, simple ideas I'm sure people are going to go crazy with. And now for all of the themes, just a quick run through of every single theme we've had over the past entire year. We've got youth, the very first one. We've got mask. We've got wizards with I love that PNG. We've got glass. We've got stars. We've got bug. We've got danger. You can tell we started getting a bit more creative with these slides as well. We got celestial. We got monster. I take it back. We were not creative with these slides. We got jungle. We've got crab. We've got cooking. And that is it. Here's just a quick text overview showing all of the themes you can choose from, all of the modifiers that you can use. Quick overview. And I hope to see you all. I'm excited to see what people can make. I'm excited to make my own thing. We will see all of you August 4th, 7 p.m. in this Discord channel. I'm so excited to see you all there.